is the acquisitions manager. I just wanted to do a quick video on our step-by-step guides. You would be amazed how many owners or even realtors that I speak to that are not familiar with seller financing or subject to. So I basically created a template that explains how the process works. Even with subject to, I explain this also. Again, I get this a lot where people are not familiar with these types of terms. As you can see, these are several different seller finance terms that we can do. Um, and most people are not familiar with this. So my biggest goal is just to educate them and get them familiar. One of the biggest things that I also have is a cash offer. This is directly towards our owners when we do for sale by owners. And I also have contract rules. I created these contract rules specifically for, since I'm an acquisition manager, we have certain rules and regulations that we have to follow. So some of these contract rules, as you can see, just basically normal terms, simple things that either we need or we have to have in our contract to make sure everything goes smoothly. So today I just wanted to do a video about this because a lot of people are not familiar with these different processes. They're not familiar how this works. So when you do business with me, I provide a lot of just information to basically make sure you know exactly what the process is going on, and it's an easy transaction. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day.